Hey guys, this is Evewin Lakra. So today is 13th March 2022. Today is Sunday. आज 13 मार्च 2022 आज संडे है और this is my mom with her Shalimar price, latest price from Shalimar coconut oil brand. So she is saying thank you to the Shalimar team. We have sent her this awesome Shalimar coconut oil hamper. So guys, let me show you what they have included in the hamper. So the Shalimar team has sent my mom the masalas of Shalimar or the spices of Shalimar. So these are the spices they have sent: the coriander powder, the red chili powder, the haldi powder, the cumin or the jeera powder. Plus they have also sent my mom the Shalimar brand AMLA oil, the Shalimar brand moisturizing body oil, Shalimar jasmine oil, Shalimar coconut hair oil, and they have also included that bag you see over there. This is the paper bag of Shalimar. So all these things Shalimar team sent my mom because she won one contest organized by Shalimar coconut oil team. So again, a big thank you to Shalimar. Mera pyar Shalimar.
मेरा प्यार शालीमार, मेरा प्यार शालीमार. Thank you. मेरा प्यार शालीमार. Shalimar coconut oil makes my hair so beautiful and long. I love Shalimar coconut oil.